first piece of our investigation that it was not actually suicide, but it was cold murder, which was well executed, stage managed, but unfortunately, our experts here are smarter than the cold killers. This is a case of murder contrary to Section 203, as written with Section 204 of the Penal Code, where the victim, our late brother, Sergeant Kipyegon, was found dead from a gunshot wound on the 20th February, the year 2020, at around immediately at a servant quarter, house number 8, Twiga Court at Villa Franca Estate in Mara, Daima. Occurrence of event prior to the incident. On the 14th February, the year 2020, DCI officers proceeded to Harambee House Annex, seeking to be provided with the CCTV footage covering the event of the 13th February 2020. The officers were denied access to the server and were only shown 23 minutes of footage which had been taken from various cameras from the monitor, which is connected with the different cameras of the building. They were asked to record whatever from the monitor, to record on their phones or with any other device they had, record, but not to be given the extract. The in-charge security refused to grant the officers access and to extract footage from the server, claiming that it was not possible as it would allegedly interfere with the entire setup. It doesn't turn up. The same footage is shown, and you are going to be practically, you are going to see it exactly what we are talking about. The footage only shows the one which we were given for the 23 minutes. It shows our suspect, who already been presented to court with the involvement of international organized crime of fraud, and that is one Rashid Echesa, and the two victims enter Harambee House Annex, and it did not show anywhere the involvement of the deceased, neither the other accused persons, more so the one who was so-called General Juma. They only provided